Hello everybody, this is Jonathan, and basically I'm the creator of Basic Paint software. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to basically use it and how to download it. Okay, so we're going to see a web page like this, so this is a way to download it. Now it's available for Linux, FreeBSD and Raspberry Pi. So if you want to install it for Linux, just click on the download button over here. For my case I am indeed using Linux, so I'm going to click onto that downloading. Now it should start downloading any minute now. And now it's been completed. Just open it, and now we should be able to extract it, put it into whatever directory we want to put it in, such as for me I'm going to put it in the home directory. Now shove the file, and now to run it, do a right click, and now you'll see properties. Now click onto properties, go to permissions, and now where we see this tick, allow executing files or program, make sure that this is enabled. Now click onto the close button. Now to basically run it, all guys are going to do is do double click on it, and now that should basically run the software. Okay, so this is the navigation bar, so we see something like about, and this is just to give short description about what the software is, such as who made this software and what is this software about. So for example, this software is free and open source Basic Paint software for FreeBSD and Linux. Now basically, to start drawing, all guys are going to do is basically use the right part of the mouse and start drawing like this. Now this is basically how a guys can draw. And now to change the size of the paintbrush, we'll need to use the scroll bar, and that should basically change the size of the paintbrush like this. As you guys can see, the difference in the size. Now if you guys really want to, we can also change the color. For example, if you want to change it to something like red, for example, then a guys can indeed do that. So that's how we basically will be able to change it to a red. You can just start drawing it. I don't know what I'm drawing, I'm just drawing something random. But as you guys can see, now we can go back to change the color, and now we can change it to something like orange. And now we can complete this image by doing that. And that's basically very simple basic paint software. Okay, so once you have drawn your picture, now we can save the image by clicking onto the Save Image button. Now save it, and now guys will see two versions of it. One is a JPEG and one is PowerShell. Not PowerShell, PowerScript. What we guys will be more interested in is in .jpeg. So basically what is happening is that PS, the extension for PS, is being converted to JPEG. So we guys will be able to use JPEG if we truly wanted to. Anyway guys, I'm going to be exiting from this software. Just click onto yes, and now I have exited from the software. Thanks so much for watching this guide. If you have any feedback, please say so down in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.